Upama, you are advised to what are you doing in the class with your phone, Upama? Why you don't have a SST book, Upama? I'm sharing the screen. I'm sharing the screen now. Okay, if you don't have your book, don't use phone. Why you are doing using cell phone in the class? If you don't have book, look at my screen. I'm sharing now. I'm sharing the page for you. Just look at this. Good manners and good habits. So this is our chapter, good manners and good habits. So 1 minute, automatically it is in out. So everyone, everyone should have good manners and good habits. Yes, you know, it is very important for our life, good manner and good habit. Everyone should have good manner and good habit. Do you know the 4 magic words? Do you know? What are the magic words? What are they? So 4 magic words are, now look at your book. It is written here. It is written here that 4 magic words are sorry, please, thank you, and excuse me. These are known as magic words. Do you know why these are called magic words? Let me tell you, sorry. So if we do any mistake, if we behave wrongly with anyone, so we should say sorry in reply. Sorry. If you did any kind of wrong thing, if you think that the work you did is wrong, then you need to say sorry. Please. Please is a also very good magic word. Why? Because if you are requesting for something, so you need to say politely and also softly, please give me some water, mother. Please, friend, give me a sharpener, give me a pencil. So please is also a magic word. Thank you. If we get help from a person, in reply you should say thank you. If you get any kind of gift from anyone, then in reply you should say thank you. So thank you is also a magic word. And then excuse me. Do you know excuse me? Excuse me means if you want to interrupt anyone, if someone is just like now, I am giving you a speech, I'm talking with you. But in the meantime, if you want to talk to me, you should say, excuse me, ma'am. Or sometime, if we want to leave a place, then you can say, excuse me, give me some time. Excuse me means you are asking for few minutes to excuse yourself. Okay? What do you do when you wake up early in the morning? Do you wish good morning to everyone? I hope you all wish. If you do not say, then start saying this to everyone in your family. So every day in your family also, from today start say good morning, good afternoon, good night. We must follow good manner and good habit at home and in school also. Okay. Now turn on the second page. Turn on the second page. In the second page, good manners. So what are good manners? We must say thank you when we get something. See, just look at the picture. When we get something, we should say thank you. We must say please when we request for something. We must say sorry when we hurt someone. we must say, excuse me, when you need the way. When you need the way, you need to say, excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, friend. So, mean you are asking for that you need a way to get rid of, to remove you from place. We must care for old people. We must be kind to animals also. What we do in our everyday life becomes our habit. So what we do in our everyday life, it's become our habit. So what is habit? Underline this sentence. This is very important. So what is habit? What we do, the thing we do every day in our life is called our habit. A person with good habit is liked by everyone. Is liked by all. Now, good habits. Our healthy routine begins early in the morning. So number one good habit is, now look at your book and read with me, all of you. Read with me. Read with me. We must wake up early in the morning. Number two, we must brush our teeth twice a day. We must take a bath every morning. We must put proper oil in our hair. We must comb our hair properly. We must wash our hands properly. We must always wear neat and clean clothes. So these are the good manner, good habit that we need to follow. So there is a little difference between good manners and good habit. Habits are those that we do every day. Acha. Now look at here. It is written that Shubh Prabhat. We say Shubh Prabhat in Hindi, which means good morning. Is it clear? So nowadays, from each and every subject, from my subject, I would love to give you one project. Subject related project mean from this chapter I will give you a project mean in homework. Your homework will be to read, to memorize all the good habit and write it down in your SST copy along with the picture. So that will be your homework. You can send me in the group. Okay, you can send me in the group. So what will be your project related to this chapter? From each and every chapter, you will get one project in a week. So what will be your project? Your project will be just draw the picture of this good habit and write it down in your SST copy. So it will be your homework. Okay. Solve the exercise in your book. Write the answer in pencil in your book. After 10 minutes, we'll ask you the answer. And then also I discuss. Everyone do this. Don't waste time. Do this. Riddhima do. Ankit do. Riddhima do. Ankit do. Jishan. Very good, Jishan. Those who have completed, just sit quietly. Yes, Morisha, where are you? Acha, Upama, don't worry. You have books, let me talk to you. Yes, Morisha, unmute your device. Molisha, unmute your device. I can't understand, Molisha. What are you doing? Okay, let it be. Upama, yes, say.
Ma'am, I have no book. I write in the page.
Why you don't have SST book? Why? Where are you?
So I am now my uncle's house.
Okay, so now keep it in your mind that every day all subject will be there in your routine. Just check out your routine, arrange the book properly.
Yes. The answer.
Yes, you can. You can tell me the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
If you wish to tell me, yes. Okay, Molisha, wait.
The first answer is thank you.
Then next,
Happy.
happy
Morning.
morning. Okay, then
Morning. Hair.
okay, then
Hand.
okay. Very good. Acha. Now, Molisha, tell me.
Wait, ma'am.
Have you written the answer? Have you written the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Say.
Which page, ma'am?
Which page you are asking me? What is your SST book?
67 or 66?
67. Page number 67.
Must say thank you when we get something. What we do in our every life becomes our habit. We must wake up early in the morning. We must comb our hair properly. We must wash our hands properly. Filling the blanks with the correct word. We must say sorry when we hurt someone. A person with these habits is liked by a person
with good habit is liked by everyone. Is liked by everyone.
We must
Wake up early
in
the morning.
We wake up
Early in the morning. Okay.
Must.
अच्छा. Vedasrita say. Acha, I'm marking the answer also here so that you can do. Boma can do. Acha. 1 minute. Let me unmute you all so that you can tell me, but don't shout. Let me ask you the answer question, then say one by one. Don't start shouting. We must say thank you when we get something. What we do in our everyday life becomes our habit. We must wake up early in the morning. Very good. We must comb our
Yes.
hair. We must wash our
Hands.
So, we must say dash when we hurt someone. We must say sorry. A person with dash habits is liked by everyone.
Good.
We must take a bath every morning. We must comb our hair. We must be dash to animal. We must be kind to animal. Very good.
Ma'am, you book we must wake up early in the morning.
3. We must wake up early in the morning. Very good. Completed. Is it completed by you all?
Oh, yes,
student.
Yes,
Student. Okay, now listen to me properly. In the exam, for the exam also, you have to prepare. You have to memorize. Mean mukhosto kora. You need to memorize at least 3 good manners. 3 good habits. 3 good habit you need to memorize. 3 good habit তোমরা মুখস্থ রাখবে. Any 3 good habit for the exam. You can also memorize as you whatever you would like to memorize. Which one will be easy for you as per your choice you have to memorize. So don't think that there is no question in the exercise, so no question will be there from this chapter. No, for 3 marks question it will come. At least memorize 3 good habit. Any 3 good habit you need to memorize for the exam. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and what I say, what will be your what I say that what will be your project? Whatever you can say.
Good habits and write about them.
Yes. So your homework will be just draw the picture of 4, any 4 good habit and have to write about them. Is it clear to you all? I hope it is clear. It must be clearly said that Tuesday and Thursday we will do SST, but Monday, Wednesday and Friday we will do English. So tomorrow again we will do English. Now you are thinking, ma'am, Monday, Wednesday or Friday? In which day we will do English language and which day literature? Let me tell you. Monday we will do English. Samiha, you are applying face powder. What is this? Let me remove you from the class. Don't do this. If you do this, you have to come to school. Keep in mind. The student, those who will be irregular or not attentive in the class, they have to come to school. Keep it in your mind. And turn on your camera, Samiha. It's very bad. Be attentive. Audrija, Mahir, turn on the camera. Tabassum, keep on your camera. Okay. I know you all are very good student. You all are my good student. And good student never do this type of thing. Okay. Acha. So, okay, Maulisha, drop your hand. We'll talk to you. So, Monday we will do English literature. Wednesday we will do English language. And Friday we will do again English literature. Like this we'll do. Acha, Upnedipta, you are dancing. Okay, so one day there will be dancing class. But to do that, you have to listen to me properly. If you are ready to listen to me properly, if you do your homework regularly, then I will play with you. Otherwise, not. Understand? If you listen my word, I will also listen your word. So if you want to play game with me, if you want to talk to me, if you want to dance in the class, but you have to do the homework and the class properly. In that case, I will allow you. Otherwise, not. Okay? Acha. Now, where is Mowli Shaham? Yes.
Ma'am, the homework is on top. We write good habits and write the good habits names.
Write about the good habit. Like if you draw the picture, like this you can do. Like in your book that we should wake up early in the morning, we should clean our hand properly, we should comb our hair properly. So as per your good habit, you are advised to draw that particular picture.
Okay, ma'am.
Whatever you wish, any four good habit along with the picture you need to do. Acha, yes,
Okay,
Afreen, please drop your hand. I will take attendance. Afreen, what happened? Yes, Afreen. Do you want to say anything? Do you want to say anything? Do you want to say anything? No. Okay, so please student drop your hand so that I can take attendance. Drop your hand.